It is a moment of great pride and excitement for all of us at Indo as we embark on this significant journey with our initial public offering. Since our inception, Indo has remained committed to delivering excellent agriculture and construction equipment products to our customers at the best cost possible. Over the years, we have established a strong presence in the industry and earned the trust of our stakeholders, customers, and partners. As we take this step forward, our IPO represents more than just a financial milestone. It signifies the next chapter in Indo growth story. The proceeds from this offering will enable us to expand our operations, invest in cutting-edge technologies, strengthen our product portfolio, and deepen our impact on the communities we serve. We are honored to have you here today to witness this pivotal moment. Your support and confidence are invaluable as we set out to create new benchmarks in the industry. Our team is here to address your questions and provide you with insights about our business, vision, and the future we aspire to build together. Thank you for being a part of this historic occasion. Together, we aim to make Indo a global name synonymous with quality, innovation, and trust. Thank you. Can I please request you to play the AV?
Agricultural machinery the world over has become an essential part of the farming process. In India, the growth outlook for tractors is bolstered by robust domestic demand and improved private investment. The positives for farm equipment include growing demand for food, sustainable farming practices, steady growth in farmers' income, and government incentives such as availability of credit, subsidies, and reduced import taxes. Incorporated in 1994, Indo Farm Equipment Limited is an integrated and established manufacturer of pick-and-carry cranes and tractors. In addition, over the years, the company has created a fully integrated ecosystem for ensuring high-quality products and financial support for customers. By launching in 2017 an in-house NBFC for providing retail financing for tractors, the company has served around 6,000 active customers. Among mobile cranes, pick-and-carry cranes are the most popular because of the flexibility of use that they provide. Indo Farm Equipment Limited supply cranes to industries and corporate players nationwide. These cranes are used extensively throughout engineering, construction and infrastructure, mining and materials handling, utility and maintenance work. Catering to the market, the company has increased its installed capacity of pick-and-carry cranes to 1,280 units during fiscal 2024 itself, ranging from 9 tons to 30 tons capacity. The company has acquired industrial land with an intent to set up an additional dedicated pick-and-carry crane manufacturing unit and increase capacity by an additional 3,600 units per annum. Our chairman, coming from a rural background, has always dreamed of providing world-class agricultural and construction equipment and envisioned to contribute to nation building. Towards this end, we have grown from a single model of 50 horsepower to now manufacturing tractors from 16 horsepower to 110 horsepower. Indo Farm Equipment Limited's ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturing facilities located at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh includes a captive foundry unit, a machine shop, a gear shop, a hydraulic component shop, sheet metal and fabrication shop for assembling tractors, pick-and-carry cranes, and other equipment. These integrated operations allow the company to manufacture some critical machine components in-house. Over 330 components used in making tractors and over 190 components for cranes are manufactured in-house. As on September 30th, 2024, the company's production facilities had a capacity to manufacture 12,000 tractors and 1,280 pick-and-carry cranes per annum. With a marketing network of 175 pan-India dealers, Indo Farm Equipment Limited supplies its products to various countries around the world. Indo Farm Equipment Limited, a company that will grow along with the sector.
Of what Indo stands for, what our vision is, but I will take you through a small presentation to just give you some more insight and detail about what we do. So as you can see, Indo Indofarm is over a 2-decade-old company with a fully integrated manufacturer of tractors and pick and carry cranes. Our plant is located in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. We currently have a dealer network of around 159 dealers for tractors and 16 dealers for cranes. Apart from tractors and cranes, Indofarm also has its own subsidiary NBFC company called Baroda Finance. The current land bank available with Indofarm is around 100 acres. The complete land is situated in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh itself. Our current capacity of tractors lies at 12,000 tractors per annum and 1280 cranes per annum. As you can see in the chart below, our revenue and EBITDA, the company has been growing, but of course very steadily. But in the future, of course, we plan to accelerate and fuel this growth. On the right hand side, you will see a small graph demonstrating where the proceeds of the IPO will be going. So just to explain, 70 crore rupees will be used in setting up a new crane facility. 45 crore rupees will be injected in our NBFC, which will be further used to increase tractor sales. Around 50 crore rupees will be used for repayment of our short-term borrowings, and the rest of the proceeds for general corporate purpose. So as you can see, Indofarm is a heavily manufacturing driven organization. The founder of our company is a technocrat, and a lot of focus has been given on developing the right standard or the right products for our customers. Currently, we manufacture some of the biggest range in the country. As mentioned by our chairman, I'm very happy to say that we have one of the largest tractor and crane ranges in the country. Our tractors are sold by the name of Indofarm, and our cranes are sold by the name of Indo Power. I've already spoken to you about the land bank, and just you can see on the right hand side the revenue split between tractors and cranes. Of course, we started as a tractor company, but I think we are slowly marching towards a construction equipment company. Right? The chart above signifies the same in volume, and the chart in value, and the chart below signifies the same in volume. These are some of the milestones that we have achieved over the past 2 decades, but just to highlight some of the prominent ones, launching our own NBFC in 2017, and then commissioning a tractor which we can sell in Europe, achieving its European certifications. These are some very key milestones that we have achieved in the past, and I hope our IPO will be another very big milestone for our organization. This is just to give you an idea of our current manufacturing facility. This is spread over 30 acres. Our foundry division is not visible in this photo, it is slightly on the side. And on the map on the right hand side, you can see our current distribution and dealer network. I think I have to repeat and put emphasis on this again. This factory is a technocrat's dream. Our chairman has spent a lot of time, energy and focus on building the right products for the customers. So you can see some of the photos of some of our lines. On the first left photo is our foundry, where we can maybe make many components like the complete transmission, gearbox, clutch housing, hydraulics. More than 100 components of tractors and cranes are made here. On the right hand side, the second photo is one of the lines of a machine shop, is the cylinder block machine line. The third photo is of our gear shop. The fourth photo is one of the views of our tractor assembly line. Below photo on the left is our crane assembly, followed by a sheet metal shop and the pre-delivery shop for all photos of tractors and cranes respectively. This is the current scenario with our marketing network. As mentioned earlier, currently we have 159 dealers for tractors, 16 dealers for cranes, and if I talk about the area coverage, in tractors we only cover about 10% of the Indian market, and in cranes we roughly cover about 15 to 20% of the market. So we have tremendous amount of potential to take it further. This is our management team. I think you are very well aware about our chairman. I'm Anshul Khadwalia, accompanied by my younger brother, Mr. Shubham Khadwalia, who did his masters from UK. Diksha Khadwalia, she could not be present here, but she is a master's from Manchester University and postgrad from IE Business School in France, in Spain, sorry. Then on next is our chartered accountant, Mr. Varun Sharma, with over 5 years of experience. Our company secretary, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, with almost over 2 decades of experience. Mr. C.S. Saini, our whole-time director for operations, who worked in Maruti for over 2 decades. Mrs. Pavneet Miglani, our AVP for HR and admin, who has over almost 2 decades of experience again. Mr. Vishal Anand, who is the CEO of our captive NBFC, Baroda Finance, again with over almost 15 years of experience. And our chartered accountant, Mr. Gurvinder Singh Chadda, who is our CFO for Baroda Finance. Indofarm does have a very strong pedigree of management with us. The 3 broad verticals of the organization: tractors, pick and carry, and NBFC. But as I mentioned earlier, we started with the tractor company, but we are marching towards becoming a pick and construction equipment company. Very quickly, something about the tractor on the manufacturing side. As we said, we have one of the biggest ranges in the country, but even in that, majority of the production is done in-house. So this allows us to quickly adapt to the need of the market, to the ever-changing demand of the customer. Today, I'm very proud to say that I almost have a tractor for every farming need in the country, and of course for many markets abroad. Many components like engine block, gas, rear transmission, front transmission, clutch housing, etc. All these tractors are made in-house. Some of our tractors are at par features as per the need of the market. Our range of tractors goes from 16 horsepower to 100 horsepower, and up to 45 horsepower we have 2 kinds of engines, making it one of the largest tractor ranges in the country. As I said earlier, our range is rather equivalent, rather it is more than the others. 2 types of engines up to 45 HP and the complete range being available in 4-wheel drive. This is just to show you that how we are the most backward and forward integrated organization. This helps us keep our cost, our quality intact. And so our vision of delivering best product with the best price can be fulfilled by this backward and forward integration that we've achieved. So these are just some of the factors which continuously drive the tractor industry. The shortage of labor is becoming a very prominent reason why there will be more tractor sales. The need for mechanization in the market will lead to the tractors of higher HP to be sold, because now tractors need implements, and for implements you need bigger tractors. India still, of course, India has a green revolution in terms of farming, but there is still a green revolution yet to come with farm mechanization. So better farm technologies, better implements, better learnings and know-hows have been passed on to our farmers, so we can exploit our farming to its best. If farming done right in India, no one would ever sleep hungry. And of course, with the government's focus on agriculture, and the focus to increase the farmers' income, we are confident that the tractor industry is definitely going to continue to grow. As an Indian player also, as well as it will continue to grow as an exporter also. Right. Now I would just like to request Mr. Shubham Khadwalia to come and speak a little bit about the grades.